Hi everyone! Welcome back. I am Lily. Today is a beautiful Sunday. The sun is shining and I am very excited. Do you know why? Because today is Auntie Day. I am going to pick up my nephew, Tom, and my niece, Anna. Tom is 10 years old. He is very active and loud. Anna is 8. She is sweet and shy. We are going to Wonderland Park. I hope I have enough energy for them. Let's go! Here we are. Welcome to Wonderland Park.
Wow! Look at that roller coaster! It is huge!
Aunt Lily, can we buy tickets now? I want to go inside.
Okay, calm down. Let's go to the ticket booth. Hello. 1 adult and 2 children, please.
That will be $100. Here are your tickets. Have fun.
Thanks! Come on, Anna, let's go.
Tom, don't run. Stay close to me.
Aunt Lily, look at the roller coaster. It goes upside down.
Wow, it looks terrifying. Do you want to ride it?
Yes! Please? I am brave.
What about you, Anna? Do you want to go with your brother?
No way. It is too high. I am scared.
That is okay. Tom, you can go alone. I will check your height first. Okay, you are tall enough. Go have fun.
Yay! Watch me. I will keep my eyes open.
Come on, sweetie. Let's sit on this bench and eat popcorn while we wait.
That was crazy. It was so fast.
Did you scream, Tom?
Just a little bit. I wish Dad was here. He loves fast things.
Actually, no. Your dad gets dizzy very easily.
Really? But he drives fast.
Driving is different. But your mom, Hazel, is the brave one. She loves roller coasters.
Wow. Mommy is so cool.
Yes, she is. And you are cool too, Anna. You finished your popcorn very fast.
I was hungry. Aunt Lily, look, the horses. They are so beautiful.
Do you want to ride it, Anna? It is slow and safe.
Yes, please. I want the white horse, like a princess.
Can I ride the tiger? Horses are for babies.
Go ahead, Tom. I will take pictures of you two. Smile.
Aunt Lily, look at me. I am flying.
You look lovely, Anna. Very elegant.
Roar! I am a fast tiger.
Okay. It is 12 o'clock. I am starving. What do you guys want to eat?
I want a big hamburger and French fries.
Can I have a cheese pizza, Aunt Lily?
Sure. 1 burger for Tom, 1 cheese pizza for Anna, and a salad for me.
Oh no, Aunt Lily, there are mushrooms on my pizza.
Try it, Anna. Mushrooms are good for you.
No, I don't like them. They're squishy.
Give them to me. I can eat everything.
Good job, Tom. No food waste.
Is your salad yummy, Aunt Lily?
It is very fresh, but I think I will steal a French fry from Tom.
Hey, my fries!
Just one. Sharing is caring. That lunch was delicious. Are you guys ready for more adventure?
Look, Aunt Lily! The haunted house! Let's go in there!
Are you sure, Tom? It looks scary.
I am not scared. I am a big boy. Anna, you can wait outside.
No, I will go too. I will hold Aunt Lily's hand.
It is very dark in here. Mommy!
It is just a plastic skeleton, Tom. Hello, Mr. Skeleton.
Tom, who is the big boy now?
Let's get out of here, fast!
Okay, relax everyone. Look! Face painting.
Can I be a butterfly?
Sure. Sit here, Anna.
Do I look pretty?
Beautiful. What about you, Tom? Still scared?
No! Paint me as a tiger. A brave tiger. Roar! I am dangerous now.
Let's take a selfie. Say cheese. Before we go, let's buy souvenirs.
This shark hat for Dad. It's funny.
And this floral mug for Mom. She loves tea.
Perfect. And this teapot for Grandma Flora. Warm socks for Grandpa Daniel.
And sunglasses for you, Aunt Lily.
Do I look cool?
The coolest aunt ever.
Aunt Lily, can we come back next week?
I can't, Tom. I have to go back to my city tomorrow.
Oh.
But I promise, next time I visit, we will come here again. Maybe next month.
Really? Pinky promise.
Pinky promise. I love you guys.
We love you too, Aunt Lily.
That was a fun day with my beloved nephew and niece. But in the next video, I will have a date. Can you guess how it will go? Will it be romantic? Or will it be a disaster? Please like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification to Soya English Hub to follow my journey. See you in the next video. Goodbye.